Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace a rear light bulb or change whole tail light on Peugeot 206 and also 207 that has the same process. Okay, this is the rear light of Peugeot 206. That's the same for all type of this car. So if you have any type of Peugeot 206 and 207, this video can be useful for you. So stay with us, learn and save your money. For replacing these rear light bulbs, we don't need a special or professional tools, we just need pliers and a screwdriver. First, we open the trunk and now here, as you see, there is a little grommet that we should remove it by screwdriver in this way. Now we should pull back this felt and keep it down by something. Now here you can see back of the unit where the electric going to your light by this wire. Alright, we should disconnect this socket in this way. Then here we have a nut that we should unscrew it. It could usually loosen by hand, but if doesn't, we use a plier. Okay, it's done. Now we should bring out this rear light carefully without any hurry. Okay. As you see, there are some red plastic tab. Now we should remove the cover. And we pull this red plastic tab to separate this part. Guys, notice that some of these lights have a nut and bolt instead of these tabs. That doesn't make too much difference in our works. Okay. After doing all this, you access the bulbs and you can remove them by pushing down the bulb and turn it to the left, like this. And for installing the bulb, we put it in the unit in the right way and turn it to the right. Okay. Now we put the rear light in its place and finish the work. In this way. Okay, it's done. And the last step is tightening this knot and connect the socket. Okay. We tighten the knot by hand, and now connect the socket. Okay. Okay, don't forget this grommet, guys. Wait. Yeah, this grommet, and put it back in its place. Okay. Now, operation completed. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video or this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel. Stay tuned. We will share many new videos of repairing cars that help you to fix your car, save money, and also learn new things. Goodbye.